Healthy iceberg lettuce salad maximizes flavor and nutrients with a balanced approach. Start with a chopped medium head of iceberg lettuce as the base. Add 1 cup of half cherry tomatoes for a refreshing touch. Include sliced cucumber for crunch and subtle taste. Julienne, a medium carrot for vibrant color and sweetness. Add half of a thinly sliced red onion for sharpness. Dice 1 bell pepper for a burst of color and flavor. Slice 1 ripe avocado for creaminess and healthy fats. Include 4 to 5 thinly sliced radishes for a peppery crunch. Choice protein: sliced grilled chicken or 1 cup chickpeas. Optional toppings: almonds, sunflower seeds, feta or vegan cheese, fresh herbs. Dressing: olive oil, lemon juice, mustard, garlic, salt and pepper. Wash and dry lettuce. Chop into bite-sized pieces and prepare veggies. Cook protein: grilled chicken or rinsed chickpeas. Whisk dressing ingredients. Layer lettuce, veggies, protein and toppings. Drizzle dressing before serving. Boost salad with spinach or kale. Reduce cheese/nuts. Tweak for dietary needs.